What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So finally the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro are here, and Google wasn't shy at its Pixel event about calling out Apple and Samsung for having many of the first innovation with its Pixel 7 Pro. Even they did not mention iPhone makers by the name, but it was evident that Google was taking a dig at them. Well, with the introduction of always on display, the night mode for the cameras and the crash detection first came to Pixel for like couple of years ago, and it was very clear that Google was throwing some punches at its competitor as Google has finally made a very good flagship smartphone. Well, not only that, Google will also be adding one more clear feature and to brag about it, and it's the 5x telephoto camera with high-res zoom. Now, Apple was able to get it up to 3x with its Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that's not the case with the Pixel 7 Pro, as it's 5x of optical zoom and up to 30x of super zoom. Well, not only that, apart from that, the Google is also coming with its Tensor G2 processor, which is again a second generation of the Google own custom chipset, and it's not bad at all. Well, it does lag behind the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and of course from the Apple's Bionic chip, but it's not going that much of a backward step when compared to the Google Tensor chip from the first generation. So what do you think about the Pixel 7 Pro? And we'll be covering the comparison between the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro against the Samsungs and Apples of the smartphone department. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom to stay updated for more such amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.